advice for finding the best affiliate marketing programs available. Working with an affiliate to sell products can be a great source of income, but only if you take the time to properly market their goods. To see success, you need to draw customers to your links, convince them to click them, and get them to buy the products they see. Here are a few tips that will help you do just that. Track all of the clicks on your affiliate links. Once you identify your traffic source, you can pinpoint what marketing strategies are the most effective at bringing in profits. If you track things like the number of views and click rates on an affiliate link, you will be able to see what works. Focus on the products that yield results. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often, it keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you will find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. Affiliate marketing takes a lot of work, but it also has a lot of rewards. The advice in this video should give you plenty of ways to make your relationship with your affiliates a profitable one. Putting a little extra effort into your marketing will help your wallet get a little bit fuller. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.